What's up, guys? Today it's going to be a little quick install. I just received my window seals. I bought these off of Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. Here's the part number if you guys are interested. It looks like, I don't know how you're supposed to install these, but it looks like it's just, you just insert them with those clips. And what's going to make it a lot easier for me is that my truck doesn't have any right now. It just has these like kind of universal ones. I just put them on with two-way tape. They used these when they painted my truck and they suck. I was trying to fall off. So we're gonna try to figure out how to install the new ones and maybe wash my truck. After pulling off the old window seals, it's a lot easier to see how you install the new ones. You can see the holes for the clips. So you're just going to insert it in there. That's through the inside of the panel. And you actually have a lot of room to put your fingers in there. So I'm just going to try to get off as much of this adhesive off as I can. And just wipe it down and install the new ones. And that's going to be a quick little job for today. So this is the inside one. We're gonna start with this one. It's just aligning with the holes. Okay, once you have all the clips aligned, just put some pressure on it, just like that, and it clips right on. There's one. Now the outside one, same thing, just align your clips with your holes. Just got all my clips aligned. I'm just gonna push them in now. Cool. Got this side done. Let's do the other one now. Here's what the seals look like once they're installed. The only thing is that now I have all this adhesive residue still left on. I'll have to clean that up later. That's what they look like inside. Something else I want to do today. So I got new bolts for the bed, and I put them all on except for one. They welded this one, just a little tack weld. I guess a bolt broke off, and they just welded the top of the screw, the head, just so that it wouldn't show the hole just there. So I'm gonna cut that weld off and replace it with the new screw, or the new bolt. I'll use a grinding wheel first. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna go straight down on the weld. Once I do that, I'm gonna be able to take the head of the bolt off, and then I'll go with the flap disc and then just clean it up, and then it's gonna be ready to get the new one on. Let's get to work. I got the bolt off. Now we have is this left over, and this is where this comes in. We're gonna go over this and smooth it out, and then it's gonna be ready. Here's what it looks like after you smooth it out with the flap disc. Now, just drop the bolt in. If you notice here, it has the square shape, and that's to keep it from spinning when you're tightening it from the bottom. And that's all it takes to replace the bolt on your bed. Here's what it looks like after everything is done. Right now, look, you can see the shiny spots on it, but that's gonna fit in with the rest of the bed once it rusts a little bit, so that's all right. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.